What up, Motion Dep? We're back. Doja and I have been busy. And when I say busy, I've been all around. It's 8:23 in the evening right now. Oops, sorry, motion. All right, I know you guys getting tired of the Pokemon content. I be ripping, dog. We're going over lane 7. That way. So, sir. Type shit go. So, sir. Clean up crew. All right, so we got an assortment of gear. Lane 7 apparel. Time and time again, I'm trying to bring in the pieces, the brands that we want to see. Right off the bat, we'll run it out. We're running with the Joggers, LS16006 garment dyed. Overall, I'm not the biggest Joggers fan. It's definitely like a lacrosse type vibe, a tech vibe. Like if you owned a law firm and needed something for like a Christmas gift. All right, hell no. Nah, this just look goofy. So this is fit. I mean, I like the metal clasp on top of it. Zippered pockets with the little hidden feature for the sauce. Ooh, got a hidden pocket in here too. Gang, what is this, bro? Nah. What the hell? All right, off the rip on these like a 4. Like a 4 out of 10, not for me. The next piece that we have, I'm not gonna move around no more. I'm just gonna stand right here. The L16001. Definitely a mid-weight garment. Feels like a independent IND 280 SL. Go ahead, let's try it on. Another garment dyed piece, can't go wrong. The garment dyed essentially is as you wash it over time, it'll lighten or it'll give it that faded effect. I feel like the fit's crisp. I'm gonna be straight through with this one. This is crisp little 7, lightweight, cool summer piece. Right now it's about 50 degrees out in Oregon, going down. It's only getting colder. This isn't gonna really keep you warm on a super cold night, but if you like to throw that shit on and just chill inside the house, this is definitely the hoodie for you. I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, I ranked it already. After wearing it again, rubbing myself, Mr. Miyagi, and then you know the part that I always must check. No KKK hood. We booming, this is hood. What would I do with this type of item? Screen print, embossing. This is kind of what I would go about that piece. Using woven labels across their board. Definitely a good little piece. Motion man been out, bro. I've been eating hella shit. My bad. Gordo. All right. Oh shit. This is lane 7, 11004. That's in oatmeal. Definitely right off rip. This probably the best thing I pulled out. If you're trying to give yourself that little office fit, that schoolboy, that schoolgirl shit, like what am I wearing with this? I'm throwing a polo on underneath. I'm throwing a little tie on. You know, I'm gonna look fresh. If I really wanted to go crazy and I want to be rock star life, I'm gonna cut the hem off. Put a raw edge finish. Like all this, cooked. Hate this shit, cooked. But for what it is, it looks really nice. A little polo gonna have this popping, a little tie. You wanna look dapper, you wanna look fly, if you wanna look streetwear side, on and on. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. This is a size large. Your model right here, 5'9", 5'10" with the Air Forces on, type shit. Is how it fits. Crispy. Solid 9 out of 10. Oh. Definitely gotta get my size. I'm a medium in this, so with this, definitely advise you guys to size down. You wanna look dap. You don't wanna have all this this wrinkly shit when you got your stuff on. Definitely good for an office, your sales rep. Definitely good for your office women. This is a unisex garment, it feels like. Definitely super nice. Only thing that I'm not really a fan of is the waistband, but again, that's a user preference. Not gonna stop me from buying this. I made a video on Instagram back in January. This was like their newest hoodie at the time. Has a raglan cut to it. I'm not the biggest fan of raglans, but off rip, this is the second best feeling thing. Like they just wanted me to go in levels. This low key fly. I can't even cap. A nice little center hit and embroidered. Screen printed, definitely don't overdo it. If you want to go ahead and add some flair, I would recommend throwing a little patch on the side looking clean, or something towards the top because it has no seam. You could throw like a little piece of embroidery, DTF, screen print right here, come correct. But this is how it fits. Definitely fits a little bit baggier. It's their French terry feel, heavyweight off the rib. You definitely feel that. This is the overall fit. You see, this is the part of what I don't like about Raglans, this right here. But again, user preference. Good solid 8 out of 10. And I'm going based off the feel, right? We've gotten better and better with each piece. So I hope that we can continue on with this trend. Overall, this is a great hoodie. I would recommend this for streetwear brands, lifestyle brands, and most importantly, gym brands, because you'll be able to wear this in there. Really recommend these type of silhouettes to individuals with like active lifestyle brands who just want to get out and promote stuff like that. Understand, right? Raglan, freedom to move. Freedom to move. You know, like freedom to move. So Raglans are good for the activewear lifestyle, activewear brand. All right, what is this next one? So we got the exact same shit, just in a different color. What do you think this color is called?
Pistachio.
Nah. One more.
Tornado.
Moss gray. This is gray, gang. Moss gray. This looks like baby poop. This has the exact same fit as the last one. Heavy French terry cotton. Booming. Not putting that on. This is the 15,009. I don't even want to put this one on, gang. This one just look gumpy. But I'm going through all of them. This is in Navy XO. When I put it on, it feels smooth, feels soft, feels good. Why I didn't want to put it on is that should just look OD gumpy. Like, I'm not trying to be Gumby, bro. Like, nah, man. Basically, I'd recommend this tee. I'm an AS Color guy. Feels like AS Color a little bit lightweight compared to it, but everybody has their preference. Little long, but again, this is the XL. If the XL fits like this means that the large will probably fit close to like that. Not bad, a good size. I think the cuffs are a little too big, a little loose off rips. So like you might get annoyed. Don't be doing this shit like turn around and die. Like don't be doing that. Other than that, I'm looking at this. I mean, for what it is, look, if you're a construction company and you want to step away from Guild and you want to pay a little bit more to have a premium product, I would recommend screen printing on this. One standard location, don't go too crazy. If you want to even turn up, like a new one that I've seen is like throwing it along the collarbone. I want to see someone come up and go crazy with using like templates like that. But again, I give this one like a 6.5. This one is the lean LS16006 Cloud Purple Large. This is definitely like a smoke shop, weed shop type fucking t-shirt, man. Like, or like summer camp, this smooth. I don't know why I got the purple. Purple just called my name. I like purple as a color. Overall, what I'm feeling from Lane 7 is definitely more of that lifestyle, definitely more of that gym aesthetic, that gym feel to the apparel. Like it feels nice, it's smooth on body. This is like a really nice solid shirt. Colorways kind of go back and forth. Sometimes it might be a little too mineral, sometimes it might not be enough. Each one is different in their own ways, so keep that in mind when you're picking up these pieces. With that being said, ship time about 5 days. We live in Oregon. These were ordered in California. I believe I ordered them sometime last Friday. Last Friday is Thursday now, so again, take about like 5 days to get here. Yeah, with that being said, y'all make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're back, motion depth. I don't know if I can show you the back, what we're doing. We were cooking though, from beanies to sewing to just growing. I thank God, I thank you guys, I thank you for even clicking on this video. If you made it to the end, make sure you like, comment, hit subscribe. Let me know what brand you want to see next. Walkstar, motion depth, we out.